Let's learn Be Like Me. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we'll go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Be Like Me. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal. Step together with your left, keeping weight on both feet. We're now going to pop our knees forward. As you bend your knees, you're going to lift your heels off the ground and then recover, and then do it again. Pop and recover, weights on your right foot. You're now going to step your left foot into the left diagonal. Step together with your right, keeping weight on both feet. We're going to pop our knees forward by lifting our heels and bending our knees. Pop, pop, and weight's going to be on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping into the right diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On wall 2, it talks about putting your hands in the air if you're having a good time. On that wall, when you step into the diagonal, you're going to put your hands up. And when you pump your knees, you're also going to do your hands up and down, making it match the knee motion. Same thing with the left, bring them up and pump your knees. It's only on wall 2, but if you would like to do it on all the walls, feel free. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine to the right. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to cross your right behind your left. And as you cross behind, you're going to pop your left knee forward. We're now going to do a quarter turning chassé, stepping your left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And when I do that pop, I kind of also like to bring my shoulder up, but again, that's all styling. Section 3, we're going to do a half camel walk. So you're going to start by making an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot into the 7:30 diagonal, and pop your left knee forward. You're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot and popping your right knee forward to face 6 o'clock. Make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot and popping your left knee forward to face 4:30. Make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot and popping your right knee forward to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do right and left side mambo steps. So we're going to rock the ball of our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, step your right next to your left. We're now going to rock the ball of our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our chassé, so you're going to do your half camel walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. If the camel walk feels hard, feel free to replace it with just a half walk around. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to repeat that half camel walk. So we're going to turn over our left shoulder, making an 1/8 of a turn, stepping your right foot forward and popping your left knee to face 1:30. Make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left and popping your right knee to face 12 o'clock. Make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot and popping your left knee to face 10:30. Make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot and popping your right knee to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a jazz box. We're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot slightly forward, but next to your right so that you can start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our mambo, so we're going to do our half camel walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, there is lots of styling that you can do in this dance, and you can add as much as you want, none of it your own. I gave some suggestions on the step sheet, but there is a lot more that you can do as well. On walls 3, 7, 8, and 9, on your last camel walk, he talks about running. So I like to replace that camel walk with a very exaggerated half run around and then go into my jazz box. So you can add that in as well if you would like. On one of the walls, it talks about shoot your shot and jump like Jordan. So, and it's on your jazz box. So I like to do my jazz box, and then when I do my step, I kind of do a little bit of a hop together and I pretend like I'm shooting my basketball. Again, all of this is optional. You can do none of it, you can do all of it. Whatever you would like to add in to make it fun, feel free. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, stepping forward with your right into the diagonal. So it's diagonal, together, pop, pop, diagonal, together, pop, pop. Grapevine to the right, side behind pop, in your quarter chasse, half camel walk, side mambo. Now your half camel walk in your jazz box. And that is the whole dance. Now, when I come out of my camel walk into my jazz box, I kind of like to swing this right foot around. It kind of helps me go into that jazz box, so feel free to do that as well. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping into the right diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 12 o'clock facing wall. You will dance the full 32 counts, but it ends facing 9 o'clock. If you would like to end facing 12 o'clock, I did put an ending on the step sheet. What you're going to do is you will do your final half camel walk, and instead of doing a jazz box in place, you're going to make your jazz box turn a quarter turn to the right to face 12 o'clock. So you're going to cross over, step back, quarter together, and then I like to step to the side and do a little bit of a pose. You can do whatever sassy pose you like. I like to put mine on my hip and pop my hip. You can put your hands up, whatever you would like to do to end it. But that is how you're going to end the dance if you choose to end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with our diagonal step. So it's diagonal, together, pop, pop, diagonal, together, pop, pop. Grapevine to the right, side behind pop, in your quarter chasse, camel walk, side mambo. Now your half camel walk in your jazz box. Now your step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal step, knee pop. Diagonal step, knee pop. Side behind, side touch. Side behind, quarter pop, quarter chasse. Half camel walk. Side mambo. Half camel walk. Jazz box. Now your step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now again, on the demo, I did do the extra styling, so the runaround and the extra pops and the hand motions. Feel free to add those in or add in your own. Make it as much fun as you would like to do so that you enjoy when you are dancing this dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Be Like Me. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
When I grow up, I wanna be like me. Can't tell me nothing about who to be. When I grow up, I wanna be like me. Can't stop me running, young, wild, and free. Living life in fast pace, traded all my toys for foreplay. Sleepless nights turn to slumber parties. Milk and juice turn to Coca Bacardi. From daydreams and stories that I live now, like till morning. From crawling to walking, now I run the game like crawling. Hands up in the air, you living life, young, wild, and free. Make something out of nothing from $1 and a dream. Close my eyes chick by a toe. Be my little itty bitty till I pick some more. Pick 'em up. Good brain, you make on the road. I'm a cat, I'm a dog, I'm a paw patrol.